confused about which multimeter to buy? Don't worry, fisted the top beginner models of 2025, and the results might just surprise you. If you're diving into electronics, whether you're a student, a DIYer, or just curious, picking the right multimeter is your first big step. But with so many options, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. From budget picks to feature-packed models, let's find the perfect multimeter for beginners. Today, we're looking at 3 top contenders lined up right here on the bench. First up, we have the Astro Eye DM6000AR, a crowd favorite for its affordable price, typically around $25. It's a digital auto-ranging meter, which means it automatically selects the correct measurement range for use. Super handy for beginners. Next, we have the Klein Tools MM400, a bit more of an investment at about $50. This one feels more rugged and is also a digital, auto-ranging model known for its reliability. Finally, we've got the Fluke 101, the most premium of the bunch, coming in at around $60. Fluke is a legendary name in the industry, and even their entry-level model promises professional-grade accuracy and durability. It's a digital multimeter, but with manual ranging on some functions, giving you a bit more control once you're comfortable. Now, let's break down the core features. We'll start with the basics. Voltage. Testing a standard AA battery for DC voltage, all 3 meters give a reading around 1.5 volts. The Fluke and Klein are practically instantaneous, while the Astro Eye has a slight delay but is still perfectly accurate. For a C voltage from a wall outlet, be extremely careful when you do this. All 3 read a steady 120 volts. The displays are all clear, but the Klein's backlight is a definite plus in dim lighting. Next, resistance. Using a standard 1K ohm resistor, the readings are spot on across the board. The Fluke feels the most responsive, settling on a value almost instantly. Continuity is another crucial test for checking if a circuit is complete. All 3 have an audible beep, which is what you want. The Astro Eye and Klein have a quick, loud beep. But the Fluke's response is lightning fast. You can barely touch the probes together, and it registers. When it comes to measuring current, we have to be careful and move the probe to the correct port. All models handled a simple LED circuit, drawing a few milliamps with no problem. For speed and accuracy, the Fluke 101 pulls slightly ahead, but honestly, all 3 perform admirably for basic tasks. Time for a real-world test. Let's check a 9-volt battery. We set our meters to DC voltage. Place the red probe on the positive terminal and the black on the negative. The Astro Eye shows 9.2 volts. Klein gives us 9.21. And the Fluke reads 9.22. All are perfectly fine. This tells us the battery is fresh. A quick safety tip. Always make sure your fingers are behind the guards on the probes and never touch the metal tips while a circuit is live. Now, let's use the continuity function to test a simple switch. With the switch off, there's no beep. Flip it on, and we get that satisfying sound from all 3. This confirms our circuit is working as expected. Using a multimeter is simple once you know the rules, and a good meter makes it even safer. So, what's the verdict? After all the tests, which one should you buy? While the Astro Eye is an incredible value for its price, and the Klein is a solid, durable workhorse. For beginners, the Fluke 101 offers the best mix of accuracy, durability, and ease of use. It's compact, incredibly responsive, and it's a tool that will grow with you as your skills advance. It might cost a bit more, but it's an investment in quality and reliability that you won't regret. It earns a solid 4 stars for accuracy, 4 for build, and a full 5 stars for long-term value. Which multimeter do you trust the most? Let me know down in the comments, and if you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tool reviews and DIY projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.